Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on In the Kitchen with Sandy, as promised a few videos ago, my husband was making his famous loose meat sandwich recipe, so he's already gotten started on that because he has no patience. He wasn't going to wait for me to get everything set up, but I'm going to walk you through the recipe because it is absolutely amazing. You're going to love this, so you better get your pickles ready, some mustard. Is that it?
Pickles, mustard,
and whatever else he throws in there. Buns, you gotta get your buns ready. All right, he has about, what is that, 2 pounds? 2 pounds of ground chuck that he's browning, and you could use ground, you know, a little bit less fattier if you'd like, but he likes the ground chuck. So he is browning that. And try to stay out of his way because he gets a little, you know.
I take up a lot of room.
He takes a lot of room. Look. He didn't wipe the stove off before he got started. And then he has already pulsed 1 small onion. And then he's also going to use some beef cubes, some water.
2 cups of beef broth.
I've got beef broth in there if you want to use that instead.
I already warmed the water.
2 beef cubes. You need 2 cups of beef broth. You could either use the cubes or you could either use the cubes or you could use 2 cups of beef broth. I think the beef broth would make it a little less salty.
It's supposed to be salty. Are you supposed to swish the cubes around your mouth before you drop them in the water?
You can. Swish them around anywhere you want to swish them around. I don't care. We're also going to use some I got balsamic vinegar.
Red wine.
We're also going to use some red wine vinegar.
Instead of apple cider.
Instead of apple cider because we're out, but it's alright. Yeah, just brown that till it's nice and brown, and then we're going to drain it. The beef broth, he added 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of, what is that?
Worcestershire.
No.
Soy sauce.
No, I already said soy.
Red wine vinegar.
The red wine vinegar. Now he's adding onions to this. And that's really all you do. I know it sounds so simple, and but it's really, really, really tasty. And then he's just going to stir it and combine it really well, and probably let it simmer until the majority of the juice liquid is absorbed. Probably about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes, if that. And then we're going to toast our buns. We're going to add some pickles, and then we're going to be ready to eat. Alright, he ended up adding about a teaspoon of minced garlic as well that we forgot to tell you. We toasted the buns and just a little butter on top of the stove. Alright guys, I hope you definitely give this recipe a try. It is unbelievable. It is so simple, but yet it is absolutely like a explosion of flavor in your mouth. Be great for, you know, parties, get-togethers, entertaining, whatever. It's simple, it's easy, and you can make it in bulk. It freezes quite well. I'm telling you, toast in the bun is magical with this. It's a little sloppy, but those things are the best, right? Man, that is so good. Make sure when you make them, you make at least 2. They're so good. Certainly hope you enjoy this recipe. Leave me a comment below. Make sure you thank Randy for sharing this with you. I had to pull, it's like pulling an arm, taking an arm to make him share this. You're not gonna regret it. You know I love you so very much. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.